Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to buy TCR coins in 3 simple ways. We'll start with the easiest method, which is buying directly from the Tecra Space platform. With this method, you can use currency such as the US dollar, euros, Polish zloty, stablecoins such as USDT, or Ethereum cryptocurrency. Now, to buy TecraCoin from our website, you first have to go to our website. Link in the description below. First, go to these 3 little bars in the top right corner. See Wallets? Click on Web. Then, go to Dashboard. Simple as that. Now, there are also 2 other options. You can buy via Hotbit or Uniswap. Make sure to check out our articles on the same method, where you can read more about it there. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was really helpful to all you guys, and I hope to see you guys next time. Make sure to leave a comment and subscribe if you enjoyed. Peace.